Mumbai never stops. Its energy is relentless and its heart beats on these platforms. But maintaining this pace requires a different kind of precision. I'm here to show you how Acleanz is redefining urban hygiene with industrial power and clinical victory. Our professionals don't just clean, they perform a forensic restoration of public spaces. Using high-tech equipment, we strip away years of urban grit, revealing the gleaming surface beneath. We combine industrial power with microscopic precision. The results are measurable, and the transformation is absolute. Even in the middle of Mumbai's chaos, we create a sanctuary of cleanliness that reflects the city's vibrant spirit. It's a victory of technology over time, a cleaner future for the world's most iconic transit systems. Acleanz, industrial power, clinical results, delivering a gleaming victory for Mumbai. Ready to transform your space? Visit us today and experience the future of professional cleaning. Acleanz, precision that moves with you.